Alright, so we're going to be doing some firewall work today.
Been on the streets a few months. I'm trying to pick myself up. I may be living alone, but I still believe in love. And although my flaws had dragged me down on the coldest night, I'm still kicking around. And then I saw you back before my time was shortened.
Got enough of every melody.
So as you can see, brand new firewall is sitting in there. The old firewall was actually spot welded in, so we had to drill out the spot welds. As you can see, that's why there's holes all the way through it, because we're going to rosette weld the new firewall in. So take you through what we're going to do with that. We did patch a panel over here of where the stock brake and steering column used to come through. We don't need that anymore, so we went ahead and just patched that hole. So a couple of these holes we're going to use for wiring to come through and possibly a throttle cable. So a couple of these holes we're just going to keep, but everything else is from the stock firewall. There's where the wiring harness will come through, and these are where the hood attaches to, so we were able to keep the stock mounting of the hood.
Every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy. But maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. Oh, my darkest memories now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. You can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Yeah. What's on the other side of inhibition? Ooh, I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so cool.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me, hold your hand while the pain was over, keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. Oh, you meant the world to me. My darling dear, you're never here. When I'm in pain, you hide and disappear.
Alright, so what we're doing is we're bringing this firewall out a little bit and bending the metal back in so it's free-forming. It's going to be stock again, basically. So the metal is a little bit bent, so we're kind of shaping it with vice grips. It's not the traditional way, but hey, it works. You gotta use what you got.
I used to run with you through the great big leaves, laugh at you when you laugh at me. Hope for us because I believe the home was just you and me. I thought you were the one for me, that's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me.
gonna do this on my own. No point in blaming you, you did not know.